Hey everyone, if your OmeTV app camera isn't working on your iPhone, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through a quick and simple fix that should get your camera working again in no time. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Step 1. Launch the OmeTV app on your device. Step 2. Tap the profile icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Step 3. Now tap the edit button located at the top of the screen and go to your profile. Step 4. You'll see two options pop up. Take a profile picture. Choose photo. Tap on take a profile picture. Step 5. At this point, the app will ask for camera access. Just tap allow to grant permission. Step 6. After giving permission, close this screen and completely close the app. Then reopen OmeTV. And that's it. Your camera should now be working perfectly in the app. So friend, that's how you can fix the camera issue on the OmeTV app in just a few steps. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick fixes and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.